Hello and welcome to this new Touchdesigner project available on Patreon. Happy New Year to everyone. This is a project about a Game Boy Screen simulator, and in this screen we can use whatever we want as input image, especially camera video or anything we want to use, and in this situation we can feed the input image here, and we can use it in our Game Boy screen and simulate it as it will be like the Game Boy screen. So I think it's a pretty cool project. You can use it, you can find it in my Patreon channel. You just need to download the project, and you will actually you're able to use it immediately. So it's a plug and play project. You just need to find attached the link to my Patreon channel, and you can get this project. Also, you will find a lot of other projects involving interactivity and especially Kinect. So I really recommend you to have a look to my Patreon channel. If you are interested into this kind of topics. Thank you for your attention, and see you to the next project.